Maytee gonna show how to put seatbelt on.
So you just get this part, and there's like more in here. You have to like put it like right here. This part you have to put it like in the middle, and just pull it as far as you can. Actually, I think you have to do and then make sure it's like in this line, and put it in, push it down with 2 thumbs, and there. And to get it out, you have to push this red triangle button. That's how to unbuckle. Watch. See?
Good job. But you're not supposed to sit on front seat. We are the parking, right?
Yeah.
We come get wavy. Okay, time to get wave. Bye. Bye, yo. Bye, yo. Bye, yo. You look handsome today.
It's dress up day.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
New haircut too.